welcome to Speranzo. In this session, we shall learn how to add a product to the website. If you could see on this website, under kitchen appliances, we have created a subcategory ovens. Now, we shall try adding all the group of ovens as a product into the subcategory ovens. For this, let's go back to our control panel. In the control panel, towards your left hand side, we see catalog. Under catalog, we go and click on products. Upon clicking on products, the page will throw us with all the list of products existing on the website. In order to add a new product, we click on the add product button towards the right hand side. Upon clicking on add product, we get a page open asking for all the details of the product. We are now on the general tab. We gave the product name as Bajaj 1701 as a product name, and we can give the product description, which I have already listed it here in my document. We just go back to the control panel, paste in the product description, and we give the meta keyword and the meta description. Once all the details are entered into the general tab, we move on to the data tab now. On clicking data, we will be asking for a category. Here, the category which we want to put our product into. Under kitchen appliances, we have ovens, and we are adding our product Bajaj 1701 into ovens. So we go and click on ovens, and text class we select as Indian tax class, and now we give the model number as Bajaj 1701, and now here is the place where we enter the image of that particular product. We browse it from our system, and we enter the product. And let us assume that the price of the product is 3,500. We enter the same at the gross price also, and we give the SEO keyword as our model name, so which generates us the traffic. And from the drop down, we select our manufacturer as Bajaj. We click on the date availability, and we go and select as a previous date. We give the SKU as a model number, and we give the stock of that particular product as quantity. Let us assume we have 20 products with us, and product minimum quantity is 1. Out of stock status, we just go and can give any of the stock status from here. We for time being select out of stock. Subtract tag, yes, we select yes for that. And as we want to enable this particular product on the website, we select enable from the drop down, and time being, let me give the sort order as 1. And now moving to the shipping details. As we are selling this product on website and also we are ready to ship the product, we go and select yes for that. And all those dimensions, weight class and length class and weight are specifically required if your shipping is of dimensional based shipping or any weight based shipping. As we are doing flat based shipping, all these details are not required now. And once all the details are entered into the data tab, we now go into the attributes tab. In order to add any particular attributes for that product which we have earlier created, this we have seen in our earlier sessions, we click on the add attributes. In the drop down, we select oven stuff and oven balls, and we move on to the discount. And if this particular product has got any discount, we try and add into the discount. Here we can select the customer group. Let me select it as a retailer, and the quantity is, if the person has purchased 2 products, then the price will be 200 less per day. So the start date of my offer would be right from yesterday, and the end date of my offer would be for at least a week, so I go and click on 16th. Once all these details are entered, let me move on to the special. In the similar fashion which we have entered for discount, we also enter as special. We click on add special. We can select the group of customers, the price which we are giving as a discount. Let me give it as 300. Start date, I again select it from tomorrow, and I at least select it for a week, so I give 18th. Once all the details for the special tab are entered, let me go to the image part. If this particular product has got any multiple images, we just go click on add image. We enter the image name, and if the particular image has got any script, and if we have multiple images, then we go on clicking on add images. As we have got as of now only one single image for this particular product, so let us ignore this part. Now let's move on to the options tab. We just click on checkbox and add checkbox field. As we have earlier created liters capacity as checkboxes, accessories as the checkboxes, so I go and click on cleaning kit. Quantity is 10. Subtract stock, yes, and the price of the cleaning kit can be 200. The price has to be addition, so I go and click on plus option here. And if you are giving any kind of reward points, we go and add it here. And now let me move on to the radio button. I click on add radio field. I go and select color of oven, black. Quantity as again 10. Subtract stock, yes, and the price will be a little higher, something like 300. And points, no, I'm not offering any kind of points, so I just neglect this. I again go and click on add radio field, and I give my white color again. The quantity I have for this will be only 5. Subtract stock, yes. Price for this will remain same as 3,500, so I'll not add any kind of increment in my price. Once all the details for the radio button are also added, I just go to the reward points. As of now, as I'm not entering any kind of reward point, I just go and click on my save button to save for the particular product. Once all the details,